T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. And today we're going to be talking about the Earfun Air True Wireless Earbuds. Now this is the first time we're talking about this particular product on this channel, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. Okay, this is the Earfun Air True Wireless Earbuds. It won the IF Design Award for 2020. It also won the CES Innovation Awards for 2020. Impressive. Behind the box, we've got some specs right here. Superior sound with composite drivers, in-ear detection technology. Okay, that means if you take it out of your ear, it probably will just pause and play when you put it back in your ear. IPX7 waterproof. Enhanced 4 microphone for crystal clear calls. Nice. Wireless charging compatible. 7 hours playtime plus 28 hours with charging case. That's a total of 35 hours. Single earbud mode, right or left. Intuitive touch control. Alright, let's open the box and see what we get. So this is what you get in the box after opening. USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, and the manual. We also have the earbuds right here. There's the right and that's the left, and this is the charging case. Has a slight matte finish, a bit of a fingerprint magnet. That's the charge indicator. USB Type-C charging port. It's a bit of specs around it. No reset button anywhere. Feels very portable. Doesn't feel cheap to the touch, which is good. Okay. Here's the right earbud. It's got the Earfun logo or name on it. Indicator lights right there, I think is a pairing light. Speakers, microphone, and the charge plates. Same with the left. Alright, before we go any further, let's do our infamous charge shake test to see if it stays put in the charge case. Are we ready? Let's go. All right, it stays put. Okay, let's do a fit test. Let's see how this fits. Oh, this feels so comfortable. It is amazing. It is very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. You can shake your head. Doesn't fall. Oof, it's such a nice fit. Very, very comfortable. Wow. Wow. Yeah, and there's very little outside noise coming from the outside. Wow, it's a very nice fit. Very, very nice fit. You can see right there. Very nice fit. Cool. Very nice. Let's pair these. See how they work. Okay, let's pair these now. Firstly, I always say if you want to start pairing, put it back in the case. It's the easiest way you can get your pairing done real easy. Put it back in the case. When you open it, both earbuds have to link with each other. So the moment you open this, that link happens, right? Now it's linked up. Let's pair this. Search for it here, right there. Earfun Air. And that pairs real fast, real easy. Let's test this and see what it sounds like. Wow. Very, very little outside noise coming from them. Wow. Woo. That is nice. Woo. Woo. Let's take this up a little bit. Oh, that is nice. All right. Wow. All right. Woo. Okay. Let's test the. Let's see if it will work just with one. Wow. All right. Nice. That works. Okay, let's try the right. Ooh. Woo! All right. Okay, all right. Let us not. Woo! Let's not do this the whole day. Oh my God. All right. Let me tell you. These are great. Great. The high, it's very well balanced. Overall, very well balanced. But if you're looking for bass in a budget headset, okay, in a budget headset, because you must remember though, this is still a budget headset. Now, if you're looking for bass in a budget headset, get this one. The bass is wonderful. It is great. Still very well balanced though. The low notes and the highs, very, very well balanced. You can pick out the individual sound when you listen. You can actually pick out each individual sound. This is really good. This is really good. Wow. If you're looking for bass in a budget headset, get these. I promise you, you won't regret it. It is very good. Very good. There's very little outside noise when you're listening to this. Very little outside noise. So you can actually, it doesn't mean you can't hear things around you. You can still hear, but not so much. It's actually very good. This is nice. Very nice. Let's go test the controls and see how these works. Okay, let's test the controls on these. Firstly, pause and play. For you to pause and play on the right and on the left, you tap twice. Twice tapping and it'll pause and play. And you can do that both on the right and on the left. Now to increase the volume on the right, you tap once and hold. And to reduce the volume, you go to the left, you tap and you hold. That decreases the volume on the left. To go to the next track, you tap 3 times. That'll take the song to the next track. Here is the kicker. There is the option of a control to go to the next track, but there is none to go to the previous track. Yeah, you heard right. There's a control to go to the next track, but there's none to go to the previous track. That is something I don't understand. Earfun, you need to figure this out. It is kind of weird to have a control that goes to the next track and none to go to the previous track. It only makes sense to make one. Okay, there are other controls in the manual that you can look through. They're basically just the call controls. Let us test the wireless charging. Let's get this out. I don't have a wireless charger here, so I'm just going to use my phone. Wireless power sharing. Yeah. Now, let's see if this works. There we go. It is charging. There we go. All you gotta do, just same way you would share power with other phones, you just take the earbud or the case and just put it at the same point and it picks it up. So wireless charging, cool. This is awesome. This is really good. Very, very good earbud. Great sound. Okay, I'm gonna use this for a while and then I'm gonna come back and tell you my observations. Awesome. Awesome. Now, after using this for a while, these are my observations. And I wrote a note. Now, number one, it's extremely comfortable. You put this on and you can actually go a whole day with this thing in your ear. No discomfort at all. Okay, maybe it's just the shape of my ears, but I promise you it is very, very, very comfortable. Playtime on this. You get a full 7 hours and then some. A full 7 hours and some change from a single charge, and you also get 28 hours from the charging case. The battery capacity for this thing, it's amazing. It's really very impressive. One thing I really like about this earbud is the in-ear detection. What this does is you put it in your ear, it starts playing automatically. And when you take it out of your ear, it pauses. Sometimes you don't want to be tapping to pause and play and do all that. Maybe someone wants to say something to you quickly and you just take out the earbud, listen to what you gotta listen to and put it on. You don't miss anything with your music or whatever it is you're listening to. So I really like that factor. Now the range on this is 10 meters. Very accurate. Also, I like the fast charge on this. You can really fast charge it really quickly. Whether wirelessly or using a cable, you can fast charge this. Now the touch control, I found the left ear. I found the left ear to be a bit tricky, but maybe it's just the one I got. I'm just stating what I can remember. Now connection for this, very stable. 10 meters, very stable. Well, no drop-offs at all, no quirky sounds, no breakups, none of that. It was very stable. Very impressive. I'm impressed. And now the call quality for this earbud. I don't want to give anything a 10 out of 10. You know, nothing ever really is, but this came really close. For one thing that I like very much when you make a call, when a call comes through and you pick up a call with these earbuds on, I don't know if I would call it noise cancellation because when you're playing music, that doesn't kick in. But the moment your call comes in, the noise from the outside, the moment you pick it up, the noise from the outside noise just dies off. You cannot hear anything from the outside. All you hear is whoever's talking to you on the other side. It is clear, it is crisp, it is very nice. And they can hear you properly, no little far away sound or anything like that. They can hear you properly. But what is impressive is just the way the outside noise just dies out. The noise, like a noise cancelling, just kicks in. Why I'm not calling it noise cancelling is because when you're playing music, that doesn't happen. But when your calls come in, then it kicks in. That for me was the clincher for me. Okay, that's all I can remember right now. If you do have questions, put in the comment section and I'll respond to it. Well, thank you for watching the video till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across the social media platforms. If you're watching for the first time, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section. I want to know what your thoughts are on the subject. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. We're still doing request videos, so if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Very important. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And until next time, take care.